You know, with broken rims, to broken floors, to games being ended abruptly.
Malakas yung tira sa tres ni James Ingles. Running start for Kenny Rocurva. One of the best rebounding guards and in transition as well. Going coast to coast. Silang dalawa talaga nagbabantayan. Ito si Formento at si Rocurva. Alatica, nakabuelo, lays it up and in over Mark Pingris.
Corva had a chance to rotate, you know, to Alatica, but that would mean that he would have to leave. Etong si
Pingris offering that screen. Dives down the lane, puts it up and in. Play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
Look at the catch on top of his head. The foot this season, house rules. Wherein pag successful yung challenge, tulad ng loose ball, jump ball na, hindi possession arrow ang pagpapasehan.
Formento to CJ. CJ losing Gimpayan. Dumps it down low to Matt De Leon. He hammers it down with one hand. Mark Pingris down low.
Right here, you see the drop off. And then, little slam by Matt De Leon.
Nice dish. Sa poste, Pingris. Against Mahinay. Umikot. Reverse layup kay Pinoy Sakuragi, who wanted a foul on that drive. Ay Formento pa rin. The switch. Baseline drive. Nash dribble. Inside they go to Mahinay. Babandang tira. Papasok yan.
And kisses it off the glass.
Under 3 minutes left in the first quarter. Raimundo runner. Swak na swak. Galing kay Pamboy.
Front court and a much improved two-way player in Kenny Rocurva.
Lastimosa lines it up, knocks down the three. And we still have the veterans as well. Pamboy Raimundo, Carlo Lastimosa. Inside, Jeremy Mahinay with a putback has 4 points.
Dito sa MPBL, sa laki niya.
Mahinay tried to save it. Pantay niya si Renzo Subido. Nice pass to the outside, Ray Bienes. Jeremy Mahinay cleans up his miss.
Happened for the offensive rebound, just attracting the defense, creating the open shot, and eventually the offensive rebound.